Alright, Rika. If you, I just have some few questions for you. So, if you were a jet setter, what city would you frequent going to? Is it Paris, London, New York, or Malibu Beach?
I think because I lived in London for a few years, I think I would try Paris this time because I've never been there, and it's always it's one of the most sought after tourist spots in the whole world. So
Yeah.
I think I would definitely pick Paris
Yeah.
out of the four.
What do you love about Paris?
Well, of course, like people like to bring their boyfriends or their loved ones. It's romantic. And then the museums are so nice. Also, like there's so many things to do. It's like living in the old era.
Yeah. And who would you bring to Paris with you?
Well, actually, funny enough, because when you think Paris, you think you're gonna bring your boyfriend, di ba, or your loved one. With me, I think I'm gonna bring my sister this time because she really likes to travel, and then I'm sure that she would love to see Paris, and she would love to go around and see the Eiffel Tower and to try the food. I took up culinary, so I also like French cuisine. So I'll definitely pick my sister to come with me to Paris.
Yeah. And what important items would you bring to for this trip?
Well, of course, there's makeup and fashion. You want to take lots of really nice photos to brag on Facebook and everywhere. So make sure that you look good. And then I would also bring my camera, and then also my phone and laptop, makeup, and necessities like perfume and toiletries, whatever.
Yeah. Okay. Now that you've mentioned it, what perfume would you bring to Paris?
Well, of course, I would pick Juicy Couture also, just because I really like the scent. It's very young, and my sister loves it actually also so much. And then she's the one who introduced me to Juicy Couture actually, and then I tried it. I liked it as well. So parang bagay. I really like it.
Alright. Thank you.